You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings.
PaMu by Padmate is known for their amazing PaMu Quiet. They have launched a while ago, but still one of the best budget ANC earbuds on the market. Today we are going to have a look at another great PaMu product. A simple option, but with all the features that we want on an entry-level pair of earbuds. Welcome to the review of the PaMu Nano. Hello, Thiago here. Welcome. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings like this one. If it's something that interests you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet in the end of the video. With this said, let's start the review of the PaMu Nano. Starting with the price, they have a price tag of $49, around £35. At the time of this recording, I will leave links on the video description, so please check them out for best price. But with this price tag, do they have all the features that we need? Let's have a look. The PaMu Nano are aimed to an entry level, but with all the features that you need. Starting with the case, you'll get a matte white color case, very smooth, with the PaMu branding at the bottom of the lid, and above that, a rectangular design where the 4 LED are for the battery. Flipping the case around, you will have the Type-C charging port, and when on charge, the LEDs will flash to let you know the battery left in the case. At the bottom of the case, you also have the wireless charging coil, so you can charge the case on any wireless charger. The lid opening is simple and very smooth, and when opened, the lid will stay open by itself, so you can access the earbuds. Inside of the case, you have the 4 LEDs at the top, and in the front you have the earbuds. They are held there by magnets. Taking the earbuds from the case, you can see that these earbuds are designed like IEM style, so the earbud will be inserted in your ear canal. This is the best fit for me. The body is a bit slippery. On the front, you have the touch sensor on a greyish color with the PaMu branding. And above that, you have the LED indicator that will be on all the time. In my opinion, a bad choice. On the bottom corner, you have also the microphone. And at the back, you have the in-ear style ear tip. And that's all about the design. The battery performance of the PaMu Nano isn't too bad. They are not too big, and they use the last year's Bluetooth 5.2 chipset. So, at the full charge, you will have 6 hours of battery life, and the case will charge earbuds 2.5 times, giving you 15 hours of extra battery life. These earbuds will charge in 1.5 hours, and the case will take 2 hours to fully charge. Sadly, the earbuds do not have the seamless mode, so they work with the master and slave. The right one is the master, so if you are using the left one only, and you take the right one from the case, the music will stop and they will connect again. On the sound signature, they sound very bright and they could be with a little bit more warmer tone. They don't sound dynamic, in my opinion. They have a flat bass, but on the other hand, the clarity is quite good, and in most tracks they will manage the mids and the highs quite good. In my opinion, all of this is because of the small 6.1mm driver. Next, please be the judge on the quality of the PaMu Nano inside and outside.
Right guys, so this is the sound inside of the house. I'm inside of my room, and this is the sound of the microphones of the PaMu Nano. Guys, so if you're gonna get a phone call inside of the house, or if you're gonna get a phone call on a quiet place, this is the sound that you will get. We're gonna go outside now and do the same test, but outside. See you in a bit. Right, guys, so this is the sound outside. So if you guys want to take a call outside, it's a bit windy, so let me know in the comments what you guys think about this sound. So let's not forget, it's only one microphone, so let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound outside of the PaMu Nano. And we're gonna go back to the review inside.
These earbuds have the Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, so for normal videos and movies they work without any problems, but with games we can see a delay, so not a gaming pair for sure. Talking about controls now, the PaMu Nano have most of the controls, just skipping backwards is missing, so to play or pause media, tap one on either side of the earbuds. To skip tracks forward, double tap on the right earbud. To call your assistant, double tap on the left earbud. To increase the volume, press and hold the right earbud. And to decrease the volume, press and hold the left earbud. A simple pair of earbuds that have a nice design and all the base features for your daily life. Nothing fancy. The sound is okay, and for the price, is a great choice. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and please leave all your questions on the comments down below. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I will see you on my next review.